Hello everyone. Today's chapter is food and health. What we eat in our daily life is a food. So, food is the basic need of our body to survive. Food gives us energy to perform our work. Food helps us to grow. Food makes our body strong and healthy. Food contains various nutrients which helps in various activities. Food also protects our body from diseases. So food is the basic need of our body to survive. Gives us energy to do different work. It helps us to grow. It contains various nutrients. It makes our body strong and healthy, and it will protect us from diseases. So every food contains different nutrients. Complete food helps us keep healthy and fit. Now, food, as I told, that food contains various nutrients. So what are the nutrients present in a food? Food contains nutrients like proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. So, some food nutrients have strong immunity power which can protect our body from various diseases. Some nutrients helps us to grow. Some will provide us energy. So, there are different types of nutrients. Let us discuss one by one. To begin with, proteins. Protein helps in growth of our body. So food rich in protein, you can see, helps us to grow. It repairs and maintains the body cells. Proteins are also known as body building food. Some of the examples that contain protein in them are milk, cheese, nuts, egg, fish, soya beans, pulses, chicken. So these food items are rich in protein and they are also known as body building food. It helps us to grow as well as in repairing and maintaining the body cells. Next comes carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are energy giving food. They provide us energy. Helps us to do our work. So if we get energy, we can do the day's work. Food items rich in carbohydrate are potato, corn, wheat, rice, other food grains, jaggery and sugar. So these food gives us energy in our daily life. Next comes fats. Stored in the body and used later to get energy. So, as carbohydrates provide us energy, fats also provide us energy, but the energy is much more compared to carbohydrate. Fats keep our body warm. Next, energy giving nutrients gives more energy than carbohydrates. So, as I told that both fats and carbohydrate provides us energy, but the energy that fats provide us is much more than carbohydrate. Examples: ghee, butter, cheese, cream, oil, nuts. So these food are fat giving foods. Next comes vitamins. Vitamins helps us to keep our body fit. They also increase our appetite and immunity to fight against diseases. Vitamins are needed in less quantity by our body. Fresh fruits and vegetables are examples of vitamins. So vitamins provide us, keeps our body fit and helps us to fight against diseases. You can see fresh fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins. So there are different types of vitamins, and let us see what are the types. First comes vitamin A. Egg, milk, butter, vegetables. These are the sources of vitamin A. Vitamin B is found in peanuts, rice, milk, wheat, etc. Next, vitamin C, lemon, orange, amla are rich in vitamin C. Fresh fruits, vegetables, all these are rich in vitamin C. Vitamin D we get from fish, liver oil, and another thing, sunlight is a good source of vitamin D. Sunlight is good for our skin. Vitamin E is present in green vegetables, and vitamin K it is found in tomatoes and also in green vegetables. So vitamins are very much needed by our body to keep our body fit. It increases our appetite and provides us immunity to fight with diseases. Next, as vitamins are required by our body, there is one more nutrient, that is mineral. Minerals, they also protect us from diseases, helps in growth and development, protect our body from diseases. Some of the minerals required by our body are iron, calcium, potassium, iodine. And the food that are rich in minerals are milk, fish, meat, green leafy vegetables. You all can see these are the substances rich in minerals. So vitamins and minerals are thus known as protective food because they protect us and helps us to fight against diseases. Next the topic is roughage. What are roughage? These are the fiber contents of the food. They are the part of the food that are not digested, but they help in pushing or throwing out waste and undigested material from the body. It makes our digestion smooth. Now, cabbage, green leafy vegetables are then oats, barley, raw vegetables like carrot, radish, etc. are good source of roughage. So we should include roughage in our diet for proper digestion. Next, water. Water is essential for all living beings. You all know we can't live without water. Water helps in digestion of food, excretion of waste. It maintains body temperature. Nearly two-thirds of our body is made up of water. So we should drink sufficient amount of water. The next topic is balanced diet. The food we eat in our daily life is called our diet. And what is balanced diet? A balanced diet means the different types of food present in right amount. So a diet that contains all the essential nutrients required by our body, that is protein, carbohydrate, fats, vitamins, minerals, roughage. If they are present in our food, then we are having a balanced diet. The food that contains all the essential nutrients required by our body in right amount is called a balanced diet. Now, how can we preserve our food? So, cooking methods can minimize the time, temperature, and amount of water needed will help to preserve nutrients. So, if we cook in proper way, it can preserve the nutrients. Next, steaming. We should, it is a good way to cook vegetables so that the nutrients remain in the food. Next is microwave cooking. It is also good because it uses the mineral water and the cooking time is very short. Besides, we can also preserve the food by different ways, like by dehydration or by sweetening, by salting, by canning. You can see the pictures. We can preserve different types of food so that we can use it later. Now, we know that not only food, we should, to stay fit, we should look after our health. So we need balanced diet, we need water, but we should also do proper exercise and take proper rest to keep our body fit. So this is so we can maintain our health by doing regular exercise and taking proper rest. So you can see what has exercise to do. Regular exercises helps to tone our bones and muscles. It builds our muscles. Exercise also helps nervous system by supplying extra blood to the brain. So we should play, we should do exercise in the open air, in the parks, or we should go for cycling, swimming, skipping, so that we can keep our body fit. Some people go for outdoor games like cricket, football, hockey. These they do they play these type of games to keep their body fit, and not only it helps to provide their body fit, but also it keeps their mind also fit. Now, besides exercise, we should also take proper rest. Proper rest and regular hours of sleep are necessary for our body. We, when we take rest, our muscles get relaxed. A sound sleep is very much necessary for our body and mind. It refreshes our mind. We feel fresh and full of energy after a sound sleep. So we feel ourselves fresh and full of energy when we have a sound sleep. So regular hours of sleep at night increases our efficiency and strength to do our work. So I hope this is clear to you all. We will meet in the next class with the next part of the chapter. Till then, take care and